Good afternoon, just giving you a quick look around the all new Staria and the Staria load van that have rocked up at our dealership. So they're finally here. So we have this Highlander, we have one outside, which is another one in grey, and then the load, and we have a couple more on the way as well. So just a quick look around what you're actually getting. So you've got keyless entry, nice really big open door. This is actually the blue interior, even though it looks like a light sort of a grey. Really big center console, cup holders, additional cup holder here as well for the passenger, full touchscreen, sat nav, all of that sort of stuff inbuilt, which is good. Heated and air conditioning seats. You've got your drive-by-wire buttons just here. These give you an indication of who's got their seatbelt on, all that sort of stuff. I'll show you a bit more around the driver's side when we get around to there. Yeah, nice big door, really solid as you can hear. 3 seats here which do move back and forward as well, and pull this lever, folds flat but does give nice easy access to people in the back row. Now those seats are as far back as they can go, so what I'll show you, walk around. Oh, hang on, they are also fully electric doors, which is a big step up from the old model. Now they are pretty out there from the back. So you've got a nice big window there, the lights, so if someone says they didn't see you stopping, they're obviously lying. Auto tailgate as well. And reveals, even with the third row seats, you've still got a massive boot. So they could come back a little bit further, but not too much. So it is quite a big, impressive van. You can almost stand up in there. It is very, very tall as well. 18-inch rims. Come around to the driver's side. Electric seat. Full digital dash so that you can change colours and all that sort of stuff on there as well. Steering wheel, and for a van as standard, you're getting lane departure, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, the electric handbrake, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert. So all these sorts of things are inbuilt. You do get 2 sunroofs as well, which are really good. So from the interior here, you're definitely not feeling like you're sitting in a van, which is always a nice thing. Additional cup holder up there as well for the driver. So nice big door bins. You've got a net there if you need something in the back. But that is that one. And then you come around, iLoad, all manual, but really big van. Now they've really upped the size compared to the old model. They now have a new for the model, but not new for Hyundai. So the Staria there is a 2.2 litre 8-speed all-wheel drive, so it's the same setup as the Santa Fe. The van here has the same Santa Fe motor, which is the 2.2 litre diesel, but it's just front-wheel drive. So very similar screen. So you've got wireless charging in here, you've got wireless Android CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, all that sort of stuff. You still get your same cup holder like in the other van, a gear stick instead of buttons, the same steering wheel, and the same digital screen up there. Now this is just the entry-level Staria load, so it does get a lot of nifty features, and again, it doesn't feel like, once you're sitting in this section, it doesn't feel like a van anymore. So if you'd like to come down, have a test drive and have a look, give Bunbury Hyundai a call, and we'll see you soon.